Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back on my channel. Today I would like to show you how I put my passport traveler's notebook together. So I printed out a couple of my inserts and in previous videos you saw how I cut them and sewed them together. Yeah, and now I would like to put my passport size together. So as you can see, it has 4 elastics in here, but I have way more inserts. So first thing I had to do then to put more inserts into my traveler's notebook, I cut elastics, and I cut them a bit longer as the inserts are, and then I tied a knot. So you can either tie a knot like this, like so, and then making sure that the loop that you get is a bit smaller than the actual insert. So like so. You can do it like this, but then the knot is really bulky. So I prefer to tie a double knot. So let me just open that. So I measure it. So actually I'd like to have a knot there. So, and I'm tying the first knot and the second, and then this one is a lot, well, if I measure it now, so it is a bit smaller than the actual insert. So can tie the knot really tight, and then I cut these ends. I don't have a scissor now at hand, but what I got is a couple of loops and I cut the ends and sealed it with a lighter. So yeah, but I did this off camera because and at an opened window, so that because it stinks. So just let me see, what do I want to have in my personal size. So I would like to use my dailies. So where's April? May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Where's my April? Okay. April. So beginning from April, I printed out all my dailies. I printed out both Bible readers. So the Bible reader in passport size has a month on 2 pages for every month, so you can write down the scripture you have read, or scripture writing, or if you studied something, or whatever. And from the middle it begins the reading tracker, so where you have every chapter of the Bible from every book, and you can color each section you have read per day. So And that means that you can read the Bible how it fits into your life. So why do I have two? The Protestant Bible has 66 books and the Catholic Bible has 73 books. That's all. That's the difference. That's why I have two Bible readers. And because I have Catholic Bibles and Protestant Bibles, I don't know which one I would like to read. So I printed out both. But for this I take the Catholic Bible reader and, well, let me see, maybe 4 months of dailies. So let me put those aside. So I have my Catholic Bible reader and my 4 dailies, April, May, June and July. And probably I will put them in this direction. So April, May, in the middle the Bible reading tracker, and then June and July. So that is my first section. And I guess I will need 3 elastics for this. So let me grab my 3 elastics. So I definitely would like to have my monthly for monthly planning. And so it has a month on 1 page and a month on 2 pages. So yeah, this goes definitely in. And then it comes to the weeklies. So I do have it in 2 different options. So I have it in 1 booklet, the whole 52 weeks of the year. And this is the only booklet I printed on 80-gram paper. All the other booklets are printed on 120-gram paper for stability. Because you need to move them out of the elastics, and therefore I didn't want to use cardboard on the outside. So that's why I used a bit thicker paper. But I have the weekly broken down in quarters. So quarter 1 is from January to March, and then April to June, July to September, and October to December. The thing is, what I thought is, well, as soon as we get to the next year, I can then put Q1 and Q2 from next year into my planner instead of keeping the old. So that is especially if you've got children, like I do, and the planning for the new school year begins in summer or after summer in September. It means I need something where I can write these down. So that was why I thought, probably I break it down. So that was my thought behind that. And I think I don't go for that at the moment. I think I will go for these 6 booklets. So my week on 2 pages goes behind my yearly and monthly planning. So yeah, that is what I would like to put into my planner for now, because I don't know if I can fit this for my scripture writing and Bible studying, and this, and my year at a glance. I don't know if it could hold it. Don't know. So that's why Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. I put that aside and we will see at the end. So let's put my booklet together. So I am putting my daily April and May together with an elastic, and then I can treat those 2 dailies as a booklet and pretend this here is the half of my booklet. So yeah, the middle of my booklet as it is here. So, and I will do that with June and July as well. So 1st June. So putting it here together. That one is could have been a bit smaller. And July. And now I have June, July in the right direction, and April and May in the right direction. And now I pretend that this is my half of my booklet, and I put a 3rd elastic over this middle, close it, and then I have an elastic here, so it comes out. Oh, where is it? There. It's this. And here I can open now June and July, find the middle of this new booklet and slide it through this elastic, and then I have, 1 booklet, well, 4 booklets, but they behave as one. So, and that goes on my last elastic here. So, like so. Slide over the knots, please. No, come on. So, yeah. Now that I have this elastic, I can now put this Catholic Bible reading booklet in here and slide it in. And I have 5 booklets on just 1 elastic here in the back. So, and then I have 3 more, and I will only use these 2 now for my weekly. 1 for my weekly in 1 booklet. Oh, booklet. Yeah, these pages are really, really thin. So yeah, it's 80-gram paper. That's not as stable, so I shouldn't move it a lot. So, and my yearly planning. Come down here, zack. Yeah, so okay, so now it's quite full. I don't think Yeah, I could probably fit a bit more, but no. That's it for now, I guess. I guess that's yeah. It looks quite, no? It is a bit thicker, this booklet, but here, there it is. So yeah, I think that will do it. I haven't chosen a pen yet for this, but I think, oh, that is, yeah, it's going through. It's a Zebra Z grip. And it is a bit too, it's a bit too large for this planner. It goes over the top. And what I like here with this planner, it has two closures, so you can either try to fit it in this, but yeah, I think I go for the first. And that's it. Yeah, I think you have enjoyed it. Well, I have a couple of books now left. Yeah, my dailies will then go out and will be put into a box, and they can go in after a month as I swap the places. And yeah, and this, well, actually I like the idea of the quarterly, but that will be too thick. If I would like to have it as a Bible study planner, I can't fit a quarterly week on 2 pages, and therefore cannot have a school year, for example, in my planner. But if I ditch the dailies for my scripture writing, I can fit it. Yeah, we will see what the year will bring. Planner peace is never reached. Although I have found planner peace with my inserts, at least. So I have now plan inserts I really like, I really want to use, and it doesn't matter if I want to switch systems from Traveler's Notebook to Rings, or from Rings to Traveler's Notebook. It doesn't matter. I have everything now for every planner. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye bye.